Thomas Cannon Jr. Wasn't that funny? Now, I gotta do the inflection where he's just like, now. How do I get out of here? Because I have a fast sword.
I missed that
I
one.
need help! Okay, that's what I feel like over here.
Oh, Canada.
Walled in. Marcy Gilbert. I do believe Marcy Gilbert is in this. The only problem, the only issue, we have 10 minutes to go. So I'm going to walk faster. You get water in your folks? It doesn't sound right. I'm picking up the pace and it's not the salsa. Well, hello there, we're live on YouTube. Come say hi. I'm John with Fun to Be Free, and who other pleasure is me?
Gigi?
We gotta get rolling. Because if in the event we say, no thank you, this lightning in return, we gotta choose fast and quick. Like, it's gonna be a photo finish, Mr. Robinson getting back. Greg says 200 likes and change. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for being here, Greg. Thanks so well.
Mommy, they're gonna be here next time we come. Look, we have this one.
secure all these items while our fair hat. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell as well. So let's talk about the Go update this thing for the riding Seven Dwarfs. You know, one of your favorite show updates? So we can ride POV. And how you're doing Snow White or Seven Dwarf Mine Train units, come on today. Giving information to the top of ride POVs. So I wanted to talk about nowhere and you're going on like that. Hashtag says that line was crazy on Cinderella. Like, because the gimbal head's going, whoa, whoa, because we sat back and kind of whips around. Oh, one of our shirts. Okay. So, program update. So, the Magic Kingdom is now closed and closed at 6 p.m. Eastern. No. And at 7 p.m. it starts officially the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. So, you probably saw the cast members checking for wristbands. So that's why we have to go this way here. So we're going to head out towards the hub. Stay tuned for Christmas decorations, the majestic Christmas tree on Christmas Point, holiday garlands, holiday wreaths. Let me show you. Look. Is this like Timekeeper? Thomas Cannon Jr. and Christopher Robin. Z-Plan 80. I jumped into the live chat. If you do this Timekeeper, I do very much. I really enjoyed time. Jump the life set if you recall. I really missed that. Let me get a drink of water while I'm here. Yeah, Randy says, did you whip it? Whip it good. I did. I was trying to anti-whip it, but it didn't work out. So, going around the helixes, folks, Thomas kind of doing. When you're going around the helixes and you're on the rear last row, like we were for the last vehicle, it whips really good. Oh, thank you for making the magic.
Thanks,
Thank you
guys.
for making the
Take care.
magic. Thank you for making the magic. Thank you for making the magic. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I don't know what we were pointing at, but yeah. Oh, here, Cinderella Castle with projections. Yeah, jump in the live chat if you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Are you getting the Santa skedaddle? I like that. I like that too. The Santa skedaddle. Randy says, haha, hash down, nice line. Oh boy. That Mark didn't hear that hash down. He's in the zone. Is it auto zone? Or maybe Callahan Auto Parts.
That's what it is.
That's what it is, yeah. Yeah, maybe David Spain.
Get a good T-bone.
Thank you for making the magic. Okay, we'll meet you. So let's get a shot here at Cinderella Castle. Texas something side profile. I feel like I'm whipping around the Frank my camera. How do I get into that?
Oh, really? Yeah.
Y en la rancha es lo mismo, solamente que cobran el doble. Los que están en la mañana no pueden entrar en la tarde. Y los de ahora no pueden entrar en la tarde.
¿Cómo te pasa a ti? La conferencia es. Thank you for making the magic. Randy says, speaking of 2K7, we found my tarantula. We did, Randy. We located. It's over at the Jingle Cruise. It's near the Pair of Doors. You know, the Paradise. And all these lucky party guests are proceeding northbound through bypass. Sonic says, well,
Howdy, John. He does not see you.
right?
Baltimore.
Baltimore, because he's quite the character. Shot of the beautiful and gorgeous Cinderella. Oh, thank you for making them out. Here, come here, listen. out the holiday wreaths in the west side. And also take note of how long the queues are for. Look at how long these queues are for Disney photographs. It's so crazy, right?
Crazy.
Look at each other.
Aww. They must be married for 20 magical years too. Zoe, when's the last one you did? Yes.
How they doing? They doing good? So good. So good. So good. Where are you from? London, England. Yeah.
Castle is going to be located